build the framework for us.
Framework.
So what she has observed kasi, in most of our coaches, okay, when an archer comes, they just teach the technical skills. So what coach is now trying to help us is to build the structure, build the framework. It's not just purely teaching the technical skills. The strategy in it, how do you plan it, what's the program. It's the winning program, technically. It's not just teaching like, okay, you do this, right? So it has to be an overall framework. So that's what we're trying to draw out right now in terms of the knowledge.
Yes.
Yes.
Are we going to have a template or
Template.
program template and transfer of technology with coach?
Yes, definitely. That's part of the program to do the knowledge transfer.
Yes.
So like right now, si Coach Romnick Balmeo, he's the personal coach of Jonathan Riaport, my son. No, starting 2019, she has been mentoring him. That's why when she came, actually she requested, can you put Coach Romnick into the national team because she wants to continue mentoring him.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Our PSA president, please, Francis Ochoa.
Hello, good morning. I was just wondering, Coach, you have for Korea, you have a very close relationship with your players, and that has been a part of your strength as a coach, your bond with your players. How is that right now, especially since there's a language barrier? How have you overcome that, and how are you building your relationship with the Filipino players?
어, 선수들하고 일단 시작과 끝을 함께한다. 아침부터 훈련의 시작과 끝을 함께한다. 훈련 시작할 때 워밍업을 할 때부터 같이 함께하고 정말 많은 첫 번째 시작과 끝, 두 번째 많은 대화를 한다. 본인의 생각, 선수의 아침부터 선수의 컨디션, 본인의 생각, 본인의 느낌이 어떤지 지도자가 말을 많이 하기보다 선수들에게 많은 질문부터 합니다. 질문부터 해서 선수의 생각을 많이 듣고 선수의 성향, 선수의 생각, 분석부터 해서 그 선수의 모든 것을 분석해 나서 정보를 수집한 후에 그 선수에 대한 데이터를 만들어서 일단 이야기를 하고 좋아하는 음식, 좋아하는 취미, 부모님 대화를 많이 해서 시합에서 경쟁 상황에서 불안한 순간에 경쟁된 순간에 그 선수하고 무엇을 이야기할 것인지에 대한 전략을 철저히 준비하고 계획하고 짠다.
Okay. Miss Blue, please. Microphone. Yes.
At first, she tried to do everything with players. At first, start of the training, she started with everything with players, and at the finish of the training, she with players.
Prayer.
Yeah,
Players.
yes. And then
Archers.
Okay.
sorry. And then she always asks to the archers what you like and what is your favorite food and what is your hobby like that. And then at the at competition, as she plan what asked to archers. What is your why you are nervous and what is your worry like that. So what is your worry and what do you think now? So and then now why you nervous like that? So discuss about this in the competition. The archers can solve the problem and can play more in election. Yeah, focus on the play.
Yeah.
Sir, being Miss Yuba running with
Yes,
Coach Liu,
yes.
ayun,
So,
during training.
Yeah, so actually, ang maganda rin right now, it's not just player coaching. What happens right now, even after training, the archers bonds with her. Ang bonding time nila is learning the language. So actually, right now, some of our archers they understand already.
Korean.
Yeah, and minsan, when they talk, nagbibiruan sila using Korean. So the archers are talking to her sometimes in Korean, they comment on Korean. Si Coach naman will now comment in English. Tinuturuan rin nila. So that becomes their bonding time.
Eventually, Tagalog.
Oh.
And then, iba, I do believe na yung sport, may sarili silang language.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
You don't, like, the way she teaches, not much talking
Through
eh.
words.
It's really action because it's technique eh. So it's visual. So yun yung nangyayari.
Jerry Ramos in that age.
Good afternoon. Coach Liu, speaking of bonding, is Coach also into K-drama or K-pop? Because Filipinos are crazy about it, and
Yes.
it could be a way of bonding with your players.